So, I think we are definitely excited about all these news on the BV technology. As well, we are excited of welcoming the new bZ4X, which is the first model to benefit indeed of this updated BV technology. In concrete terms, this means that the new bZ4X will provide a dual battery offer with a larger battery adding extra kilometers to the driving range when we compare it to the current model. The maximum DC charging capacity remains at around 150 kilowatt. However, overall charging performance is improved thanks to the fact that we will be able to precondition the battery. We are also adding 22 kilowatt AC charging on the high grade. The final numbers are not homologated yet, but we are expecting around 570 kilometers of driving range in the WLTP cycle. 3 powertrains will be available, and the higher output from the new electric motors will give up to 343 horsepower, which will give the car even more fun to drive. And we are also doubling the bZ4X towing capacity. So the all-wheel drive version can tow up to 1,500 kilograms. This is something the European customer have especially keen for us to provide. And finally, we have updated the design, both in the exteriors and in the interiors. We have made the front sleeker, more elegant. At the same time, we were able to improve the aerodynamics of the vehicle. The cabin is featuring an all-new interior with newly designed instrument panel, which will come, by the way, with 14 inches multimedia screen as a standard. All in all, the bZ4X has been improved in all key areas. We have improved the BV functionality, we have significantly increased the model's product power, and this we have done building on its core DNA, all-wheel drive capability, efficiency, and a highly appreciated driving dynamics. The first units of the new bZ4X are expected to reach Europe later this fall. Now, I would like to have a look to all-new sibling, the Toyota CHR Plus. This will be a model in the core segment of our BV market. So let's dive into it. Between the large bZ4X and the compact urban cruiser, indeed, you will find this CSUV category, which is the center of gravity of European market. Toyota, in this specific category, is already very well established with the Corolla Cross and the CHR. Let me say that CHR alone has sold more than 1 million units since we launched it in 2016, at the end of 2016. And now we are bringing a battery electric model to the category with the all-new CHR Plus. Let me start with the design, which is clearly part of CHR core DNA. The CHR Plus takes the progressive and unmistakable design of the original CHR, but gives a new dimension, which is very well suited for the BV area. The dynamic coupe silhouette and the high-riding SUV body has gained more distinctive and a more sophisticated look. And the same goes with the driving experience. The battery electric powertrain provides instant torque and instant response together with a very quiet drive. And the CHR DNA is guaranteeing responsiveness, linearity, and consistent performance. The result is clearly refined yet dynamic drive. We will offer the CHR Plus in several grades with different battery capacity and different drivetrain options. There will be, in fact, 2 battery capacity available. And with the larger capacity one, we are predicting a WLTP driving range of up to 600 kilometers. The new electric motors are engineered for direct and efficient power delivery. And I must say, there will be plenty of power to enjoy. From 160 horsepower in a single motor front-wheel drive configuration to the 343 horsepower in the dual motor setup with an all-wheel drive system. This will make the CHR Plus surely the most emotional, the most dynamic SUV we have ever brought to the European market. And when it comes to practicality and usability, when we compare with the current CHR, the CHR Plus is slightly longer, is slightly larger, which means more space and comfort, particularly in the rear of the cabin. The clever design secures more space for everyone on board, but this without compromising the unmistakable coupe-like silhouette. And a larger boot, of course, also means more room for luggage in the back. As I mentioned earlier, the CHR Plus is clearly founded on our updated ETNGA philosophy. What it means? It means up to 22 kilowatt AC charger, again, battery preconditioning, and on top it also provides the latest connectivity and active safety system for a smooth and seamless BEV experience. You can expect to see the first cars on European roads later this year with a full rollout to all European markets starting next year, 2026. So, allow me to summarize. This new lineup gives Toyota an all-new and enhanced product competing at the very heart of B, C, and D categories for BEV. These three models, in fact, represent the first half of our ongoing BEV offensive, but there will be three more which will be revealed before the end of 2026. In addition, the launch of Urban Cruiser and CHR Plus marks the start of a new naming strategy for Toyota in Europe. New BEVs will be named after existing and familiar Toyota nameplates. This approach will be expanded as BEV become de facto an integral part of our range here in Europe. At the same time, Toyota will continue to pursue its multi-path approach as long as this is needed and, of course, wanted by our consumers. So we will also continue to widen our portfolio, offering more powertrains in different types of vehicles so customers can decide what best suits their personal requirement. With this session comes to an end. I would like to thank you for your attention. Thank you very much, and Forza Toyota!